The facts speak for themselves, guys. You're throwing people out illegally.
They have $5 or $10 million worth of loans. They sell them to them. They make a profit.
I interview people, and I solicited stories from all over the country. I know my clients. I've had clients for 25 years. Now I'm representing the kids. I'm Bob Massi. I'm an attorney at law and a legal analyst. When you buy a home, it's where you're putting your loved ones. It's your place of refuge. It's your place of peace. I don't encourage people to walk away, but what I do is counsel them in the consequences of walking away so they have a clear understanding of what's going on. People have lost everything they worked for in their life, and there's a sense of desperation. The question is, how do we get back to where we were? Somebody running a red light causing you an injury is not within your control. It could happen to us. And if it doesn't happen to us, it could happen to people that are close to us, family and friends. You're entitled to recover your medical bills, your lost wages, and future medical bills if it applies. In addition to that, non-economic losses, your pain and suffering, past, present, and future, if that applies to your case as a result of an injury. I tell people your will or trust is your final voice. And it doesn't matter how old you are. If you're young and you have a family, you never think something bad could happen. You want your wishes to be fulfilled, and you don't want to rely on just telling somebody something, because legally that's not binding in the world of wills and trusts. Legal consultation is when I meet with a client, I listen to their problems, and I try to give them clarity and understanding so that when they leave my office, they have direction and peace of mind, and most important, they know where they stand legally. Do you form an LLC, a limited liability company? Do you do a sole proprietorship? Do you do a sub-S corporation? Do you do a C corporation? What do you do? But what's essential is you got to get the right foundation. You don't want to have to fix it later. I mean, I've covered Michael Jackson's trial and Scott Peterson and Robert Blake and the Unabomber and every O.J. Simpson, every major trial I've covered, Casey Anthony. And you're there and you're watching, and then you're on TV and you have a very short period of time to try to tell the viewers what really is happening here. The analyst's job is to give a concise explanation so the viewer could capture the major issue that's involved with the case. Most legal problems, believe it or not, are fixable.
Let me tell you what's going on.
It's not terminal.
On the whole economy.
It's fixable. We just try to help people fix the problem.